Hi, my name is Adrian Reed. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. And the next stock trading tip for you is if you're not consistently following your trading system or your trading strategy, then it probably doesn't fit you. And here's why this is a problem, because there's lots of different trading systems and trading strategies that can work and be profitable. But in order to extract the profit from those systems, you have to execute them consistently and with discipline and make sure you get the right prices and take the right trades and follow those rules exactly. Now, if you're following a system, but you skip trades, or you're not taking the entries exactly when you're supposed to, or you're skipping exits or holding on for a bit longer, hoping it'll turn around, then there's something about that system that doesn't fit you, or you just don't have enough confidence to follow that system consistently. So if this is describing your situation, you need to pause, take a time out, and take a step back. Have a look at the trading system that you're using. Run some back tests on it and see if you can figure out what it is about that system that doesn't suit you. Is the win rate too low? Or maybe the trade duration is too long. Maybe you've got to be too patient. Or maybe it's too short term and you keep making mistakes because you're trading too frequently and it's getting you all frazzled and frustrated and uptight. Whatever it is, you need to have a look and see if you can isolate it and identify the problem with the trading system so you can adjust or tweak the trading system to suit your personality, objectives, and lifestyle. And if you really have trouble consistently following a system, maybe that's not the right system for you. So again, take a time out, step back, and look for a different trading system that better fits you, your personality, objectives, and lifestyle. Because when you have a system that really fits you, systematic trading is actually really easy, very low stress, and takes very little time and effort. That's what I want for you for your trading. So if you're really struggling, fighting against a system, not taking the right trades, not exiting when you're supposed to, any of those things, chances are the system is not right for you. So if that sounds like you, reach out to me or comment on the post below, comment below on this post, and let me know, and I'll help you out, and I'll point you in the right direction to find some systems that actually suit you. So if you're not consistently following your system, it probably doesn't fit you. That's a big problem, a huge risk. You're going to end up losing money. So make sure that you pause and don't keep throwing money away by making mistakes on a system that doesn't fit you. Okay, my name's Adrian Reed. This is Enlightened Stock Trading, and these are real stock trading tips that will put you in control of your stock trading future. That's all for this one. Bye for now.